And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some more phones I picked up on eBay. These came in today, so let's take a look and see what we got. Alrighty. So here we have a Motorola Crazer K1M. This is with a US Cellular. Let's see if it's got any power in it. Front screen is cracked, but it does work, so it's always a good start. And it has a battery. And HD is US Cellular. Next up we have a Samsung SDH-R 470. I already have one of these in red, but figured I'll go for this one as well because it was a different color. So you see it doesn't have a battery or a back, but pretty easy to find. And then we have a Sanyo Katana, I think it is 2. And pink, it's in really good shape actually. Let's see, it should have charge as well. And there we go. So that's a quick unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.